Okay, so we're like passengers along for the ride with the food. so, so we've been in the stomach, right? We were in there bouncing around with the stomach churning away on us, and we had said that we were going to be forced out of the stomach into the duodenum. And one thing just dawned on me I didn't mention was that carbohydrates move through the stomach the fastest. You might think, well, that's right, there aren't any enzymes doing anything with carbohydrates in the stomach, so it just passes it right on through. Proteins take a little longer in the stomach, and fats take the longest in your stomach. But anyway, eventually, the stomach, with its mixing action, forces us, the acidic chyme, into the duodenum. And we had said that we have this organ, which is both endocrine and exocrine. Endocrine meaning the producing hormones, and exocrine meaning that it secretes digestive enzymes into another location. And that is the pancreas. So we have the stomach and the duodenum passing sort of around here like that. That's the path that it takes. And we have this pancreas just below the stomach. And we have the common bile duct that is going to ultimately be introducing the pancreatic secretions into the duodenum. Now, what happens is, as the food enters into the stomach, the secretions are added to the acidic chyme that has made its way into the stomach. Now, what are the secretions? What is being introduced? Amylase. Amylase in your mouth has a pH of 7, right? And we said that's going to start the digestion of carbohydrates. Then that enzyme made its way into the stomach, pH 2. It got destroyed in your stomach. So now that the acidic chyme comes into the duodenum, you add some more amylase to it to start digesting those carbohydrates again. We add some more lipases. Then we have a whole laundry list of protein digestive enzymes: trypsin, chymotrypsin, carboxypeptidase. These are all going to break down proteins into individual amino acids. The fourth macromolecule that we talked about, chapter 1, or 2, I guess it was. Anyway, at the beginning of A&P1 was nucleic acids. This is where we start breaking down nucleic acids into individual nucleotides. But we had said that chyme that is coming out of the stomach is very acidic. So there's one other component that's going to be secreted by the pancreas, and that's bicarbonate ions. And so when you add bicarbonate ions, it's going to drive the reaction from the acid side back towards the basic side. And so it's going to raise the pH up. So we raise the pH back up towards neutral. So we've got the food in the duodenum now, and we've talked about what is the role of the pancreas. Now, I have this little stop here, and this is connected to a structure right up by your liver. It's your gallbladder. And next we're going to talk about the role of bile and the gallbladder. And it's going to feed in right here and through the common bile duct, also into the duodenum. That's next.